Yes, I'm Roman, and today we are in Douai, the city of the giants, which got its name from the famous festival, the Festival des Géants. So today we will be visiting Douai for a bit, and Douai is a city in the north of France, and specifically in Hauts-de-France. Douai is a small city but lively, with approximately 40,000 inhabitants. The city has earned 3 acknowledgements from UNESCO owing to its Fête du Géant, Le Beffort, and minor houses. Lastly, there are 3 events you should never miss in Douai: la Fête du Géant, la Fête des Peureux, and la Foire à l'ail. We are currently in front of Douai Beffort, which was built in the year 1380, standing at 54 meters with 196 steps. This Gothic design, this Gothic art dominates the center of the city, along with Douai's famous chimes. Douai's carillon is the largest in France, and its music mesmerizes the entire city, thanks to an unbroken line of 35 bell ringers. Every Saturday, Stefano Colletti, master of carillonneur since 1998, plays a sonata for 20 minutes. Every quarter of an hour, you can also have the pleasure of listening to a different refrain. However, to climb the Beffort, there's a cost of 60 euros for adults and 4 euros for children, 6 to 18. However, if you're under 6, it's free. Yay! Musée de la Chartreuse makes a great contribution to the rich heritage of Douai. It's an art museum which offers a wide array of artistic work from Italy, Northern Europe, ancient Italy, and ancient Netherlands, the Netherlands in general. There's France, of course, Flemish influence, and a lot of different styles, and artistic works to be enjoyed. So you'll find pottery, sculptures, and a diverse array of different artistic works. I definitely recommend coming to the Musée de la Chartreuse. Also, there's one thing that perplexes me, or there's one thing that I find interesting. It always amazes me how artwork in the past expresses and explores nudity to such great depths, whilst in comparison to nowadays, many persons frown upon nudity, they're afraid of nudity, and it is almost as if it's something to be embarrassed. And that ends our tour of Douai today. It is simply a calm city. I love it. And what gives Douai plus for me is the fact that it has trees just planted all over the place. And you know, I absolutely love when cities have green spaces, when cities plant trees, because it contributes to healthy breathing air. However, there are a few things that I did not get to visit for various reasons. One of them is the Archeus, which is a bit far. When I looked on the GPS, that's around 2 hours of walking, and I think that's a bit far. Plus, there's the Parc Jacques Verne, which would have been closed by the time I would have arrived. Therefore, I thought it wouldn't make sense to actually visit it. Nonetheless, I'm sure it's wonderful, and I'll put videos somewhere to show you guys what that looks like. Anyways, that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed Douai. And where would you like for me to visit next? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.